Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to fix Do Not Disturb turning on itself on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply click on Clock and Date area on taskbar. Here you'll find Notification panel. Simply turn off Do Not Disturb. After that, simply open Settings. Click on System, then click on Notification option, and here also simply turn off Do Not Disturb. After that, simply click on Turn on Do Not Disturb automatically, and here you can simply select your preferred option when to turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. So that's it. This is how you can fix Do Not Disturb turning on itself on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.